The following segment is sponsored by Dollywood Pigeon Forge. Summer fun is happening now at Dollywood, and our friend Ellen Liston is right in the thick of it. Ellen, where are you right now?
I am at Dollywood Splash Country this morning. We are celebrating our 25th season this year, and we just finished the world's largest swim lesson, which is a fun event for our guests. Had over 960 people here. We have all kinds of fun things that go on here in addition to all of our rides and attractions. Got some great music going on in the background too. People need to come and check out Dollywood Splash Country.
What else can we look forward to at Dollywood Splash Country? What else is going on?
Might be on the lazy river. You might be in the wave pool, just enjoying some cool waves and cooling off from the sunshine. But we have great rides. I think probably my favorite of our rides is called Tailspin Racer. It's a little bit of a competition with your friends or family that you're visiting with. But over 35 rides and attractions here, in addition to great food and just some fun events going on, like the world's largest swim lesson that we had this morning.
So much fun. Tell us what's happening at Dollywood's Smoky Mountain Summer Celebration event.
So as if there wasn't enough going on here at Splash Country today, we're right in the middle of the Smoky Mountain Summer Celebration. We've added lots of great food, of course. We have the great tasting pass during all our festivals. We've added some amazing new shows. My favorite is the Ferrandi Stunt Dog Show, which we had last year, but we didn't have it the whole summer. But we've let the dogs out this year for the whole summer, amazingly. And we've got the Gazillion Bubble Show. So my recommendation is you go ride a fun coaster. You might go ride our lightning rod coaster and then go see the Gazillion Bubble Show. Then you might go ride Big Bear Mountain, which is our newest coaster, and then go see the Ferrandi Stunt Dog Show. Actually, there's 15 different shows that are happening, including the Imagination Playhouse, which brings some of Dolly's Imagination Library books to life. Fun for the whole family.
It sounds like a ton of activities and entertainment, but I got to ask about the food. So what are we looking forward to sampling?
So while most everybody else is riding the rides, I'm using my festival tasting pass to figure out what I'm going to have. So everything from a Cuban sandwich, which is, by the way, very delicious, to Gouda and bacon fries, to several different kinds of loaded nachos. And then we've got great summer lemonades and sparkling teas. And of course, never forget dessert. And you cannot come to Dollywood without topping it off with our world famous cinema bread.
There are so many fun things at Dollywood. It's the 40th season. We can't believe it. So what are some of the don't miss things for people who maybe haven't visited in a while?
I think the hardest part is when are you going to come? So it's summer. So because of that, it's my favorite time right now because I can come over to Dollywood Splash Country and have fun here. All the great things going on at Dollywood. I would say the biggest don't miss during the summer is it starts with a dance party at night and then our 40th anniversary drone and fireworks show. If you maybe came last year and saw it, it was great. This is just new level because we're celebrating our 40th birthday. So you got to do it up right when you've got a big birthday, right?
Ellen, going to be so much fun. Where can we find out more information about Dollywood and Dollywood Splash Country?
Just go to Dollywood.com. It'll tell you everything you need to know about what's going on at Dollywood, at Dollywood Splash Country, our water park here, even our resorts, and maybe you're planning a trip for the fall or Christmas. It'll tell you all about that too. Dollywood.com.
Ellen, great to see you. Stay cool. Don't have too much fun. There's more talk of Alabama just ahead after the break.